What is bandwidth in shared hosting? Shared hosting is the first hosting platform for a majority of websites due to its low cost. Like other platforms, shared hosting plans include bandwidth along with disk space and other configurations. Let us take a close look and understand what bandwidth means and why is it important. What is bandwidth? Bandwidth is the amount of data a website can transfer in a given period of time. It is mostly limited and is measured in gigabytes and is charged in the monthly plan. Why is bandwidth important? Bandwidth is like the highway that bring in all the incoming traffic to your website. If a site runs out of bandwidth before the reset period, it goes down and becomes inaccessible. Additional bandwidth can be very expensive to purchase without being a part of a hosting plan. Look for a provider who offers extra bandwidth at a nominal price and in more graded increments. Unlimited versus unmetered bandwidth. Bandwidth is limited to a certain data volume per month and it's enough for most sites. While some providers offer unlimited bandwidth, it is not truly unlimited but has a high limit. It will run out at one point for websites which have a regular high volume of traffic. Choose unmetered bandwidth as it charges the data speed offered rather than the data transferred. Shared hosting from HostGator offers an intuitive control panel along with one-click script installs. Give your website a state-of-the-art infrastructure with support for advanced programming and databases.